guys, and I'm focus. Oh, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be attempting to do my makeup without any makeup brushes, and I've attempted this video ages ago, long time ago. Yeah, so if you want to see that video, click here. But when I started off doing makeup, I didn't have any. I was what, in year 9, year 10, and I couldn't really afford to buy makeup brushes. So at the start, I just like experimented with without using any makeup brushes. So I've already washed my hands, they're super clean. We're going to start off with my brows. As you know, if you've been watching me for a while, you know that I don't tend to use I don't tend to fill in my brows a lot, but I do use, just repurchased this, the Brow Drama by Maybelline, and I absolutely love it. I guess it's kind of cheating, but I'm not technically using any makeup brushes, so it still counts. So yeah, I'm just gonna, this has a slight tint to it, so it also helps with kind of like darkening the brow, and it also keeps it in place. So next I'm going to do my eyeshadow. It's just cheating if I use the brush on it. That's the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, and now I'm using the Revlon Colour Stay Concealer in Medium Deep. Absolutely love these concealers, and they're both drugstore. And then I'm just going to use my finger. Yeah. So it's going to be really hard to use the powder, so I'm going to get, 1 second. So I've just got some wipes so that I can wipe my hand, because I need to, you know. And I also got some cotton buds and some cotton pads. And I'm going to try and use this cotton pad as to help set. You know what? It kind of works. Yes, you can't dust off any excess product, but it still works. You know, it's not too bad. Pretty impressed. Cotton pad trick, it works. Now I'm going to do eyeshadow. So I'm going to take, with a dry finger, some a little bit of eyeshadow, and I'm going to try and make a transition. If you're really soft, it does work, and you have to blend quite a bit. And you have to work with shadows that are really easy to blend, otherwise it's not going to really work. Dark shade, just for the outer edges. It's not bad, actually. Is that even? I guess so. Apply it to the lid. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Ultra Professional Eyeshadow in Flawless. It's the palette. Not bad. And just deepen it up a little bit. I guess the darker you go, it is harder because you have to blend a little bit more. I think it's better to use your ring finger because you have, it's a bit more gentle than your other fingers, and I think that's not too bad. Okay, now I'm just going to line my lashes with some eyeliner. I haven't done wing liner in ages. Just repurchased some of my favourites. I especially like this mascara because of the wand and how thin it is, and like how close I can get to. Ooh, I'm not in focus. Focus me. There we go. And then I'm just gonna. This is the bit I'm dreading. Foundation. Because I hate doing my foundation with my fingers. I need it. I'm just going to take my So that foundation was my NARS, as you know. NARS Shea Glow. And this is my MAC, what is this? Mineralized concealer. In my foundation is Toho, and my concealer that I'm using now is NC45. And then I guess it'd be better to use my ring finger. Not the same satisfaction of using a brush, and you have to get your hands all dirty. Wiping that off. Okay, now I'm going to take my cotton pad again to set that all. I'm just going to take it like so. Okay. And it looks kind of powdery. But, you know, it's not bad. Not bad at all. Bronzer. A little bit. And try and... Oh. This is not bad, you know. This works really well. You just have to take a little product at a time. Okay, and now for highlight, I'm just going to use the gold shade from the same Makeup Revolution palette. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed. It is definitely possible to do your makeup without any makeup brushes at all. And then the last step is just lips. And I'm just using some lip liner. I'm not gonna go with like a red lip. And there we go. Finished look. What do you guys think? I'm pretty impressed. I think this looks as good as if I would use makeup brushes, but I guess the application is easier and it's a lot more quicker because you don't have to sit there blending. But it still works. So if you don't have any makeup brushes and you're starting out, I'm pretty sure this is like a pretty cool way to experiment with makeup. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. So if you did like this video, give me a like down, yeah, now. Give me a comment letting me know if you like this look and if you think I did a good job. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!